Damn it, I got a monkey wrench in my face. Hold it.
I'm holding it.
I can't see it, that's
Tough.
Oh, god damn it! A fucking plumber farted. That's why they have cracks, you can see, so their farts get out and they don't blow up in the ass. You gotta have outlets, you know, for your farts. So that's... I tried by getting baptized here by the goddamn son of a bitch and see you can't. I can't. You got a flashlight up here, Dave? You know, it's a funny thing about water. That son of a bitch always runs when you don't want it, you know?
I do.
Down your fucking sleeve, up your fucking ass, or in your eye. It never fucking just goes someplace else. Oh,
You want me to get that? Where's that crest? Well, the little one's here. I don't know where the big one went.
Bryce, don't lose that big one. That's Larry's. Where's that big
Oh,
one?
it's right here. I was sitting on it.
God, don't here. Don't lose his.
Yeah, lose the layer, Mike.
I mean, matter of a fucking wet hen.
No what?
Wet hen.
A wet hen?
A wet hen.
Do they get mad when they get wet?
Oh, fucking hens get mad. You know, wet hen. They ain't nothing worse than a bad wet hen. Something that'll heck you to death. I'll drop my knob. Where'd the screw go?
I love gummy worms.
They're good.
Is them good? Yeah. It's going from Rosie. Here she is, you know, coming out on the stage, you know. Gypsy, Rosie! Got the rocks off with Gypsy there tonight. That's what you call a volcano. That's what I was doing. I was doing that sketch routine. Alright.
Do that again. Just focus on driving. Just don't worry about it.
You have the threaded kind or just the regular ball? Which serves you better? The balls on the end or the threaded?